Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the stripped thread visually and by feel. This tells you whether a tap and die or a thread insert is required. Once done, remove the component and clean the bore with solvent and compressed air so chips won't interfere. Make sure to gather the correct size tap, drill, and helicoil or threaded insert. Using the wrong size ruins the repair. Take photos for orientation and label fasteners. That prevents reassembly errors and speeds the next steps. You now decide between retapping or installing a thread insert based on damage depth and material strength. Inserts are best for severely stripped or soft metal threads. Drill the hole to the specified diameter, applying cutting fluid to reduce heat and clear chips. Tap slowly and keep the tool perpendicular. Back out frequently to clear chips. If using a helicoil, wind the insert in until flush, then remove the tang if required. This restores full thread engagement, and you finish by cleaning the new threads, applying the correct thread locker or anti-seize, and installing the fastener finger tight before torquing to spec. This prevents over or under tightening, which causes recurrence. Once torqued, cycle the component gently, spin the wheel or run the engine at idle, and recheck torque after the first heat cycle. If the repair fails, one key troubleshooting tip: check for cross-threading or wrong insert size. Strip recurrence usually indicates an insert that's too small or incorrect seating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.